it's Lisa. I have a really cool deal for you today on the 2-in-1 baking mat. Now it's 2-in-1 because the innovative design allows you to turn this into a leak-proof pan. Now let's get to the details. First, it's made out of FDA-approved food-grade silicone. And the nice thing about silicone is it will withstand heats up to 450 degrees. The other thing I like about silicone is it's so easy to clean. Just run it under the water in your sink, or you can put this on the top rack of your dishwasher. Now let's talk about how to use the 2-in-1 design. First, you can lay it flat, and that's great for pizzas and cookies and more, but just by snapping up the corners, you have a leak-proof pan, so you can use it for fish, chicken, and more. The really nice thing about that is if you're cooking fish, chicken, or meat, it's gonna keep all those juices in and continually flavor your meat. The other thing is, instead of using foil on a baking sheet, you could actually use this. Easy to clean, and it's reusable, so you're gonna save a ton of money. Now this is a perfect size. You can use 1 or 2 at a time. Plus we have a really great deal, and when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a couple of these today.